In this quick video of mine, I will show you how you can earn up to 4,000 naira as in Nigeria every single day. Yes, it's possible. You can earn up to 4,000 or even more than 4,000 naira every single day as in Nigeria. But before I show you how to make it happen, quickly let's introduce ourselves. Okay, if you are my existing subscriber, you are welcome, and if today is your first time you've come across my channel, my own name is Eric Diamond. So on this channel, I take complex principle and bring it down into easy bits for an average Nigerian to take better their finance. So in essence to this, please make una subscribe to my channel. I be una brother. Make una subscribe, like this video. Let's go system, make a show now how you will take make that, how you will take make this 4K or even more than 4K every single day as in Nigeria. Thank you. Let's go to the screen. Let me show you the magic over there. Okay guys, here we are on the screen. Just make sure you follow me step by step so that you won't miss out anything. So over here you can see Power Shop. The website you will make use of is called Power Shop. Just listen attentively because this video I won't take much of your time. So but just pay attention and watch this video carefully. So over here you can see it's an easy electricity payment. Purchase electricity using your device like phone, tablet and computers at any time and place of convenience. You can earn money by selling on our platform. Click here to learn more about our merchant account. Yes, some people their own are to just come this website, come buy unit alone. They will just come fill this one, just fill all those information. They will click on buy. They never one day screw go down say wait till even dey down, make them see them, make them see this, claim your merchant account, make them see this one, become a partner and earn money by selling on our website. They no care to know, but in this video I will walk you through on how you can make that happen, how you can set your own and start making money on this website. Not only buying unit for yourself, but you will buy unit for others and you will earn money by doing that. So before I show you more about this, please like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just support me. Subscription is free. I beg, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I know that if you don't subscribe, sure you don't subscribe, thank you for subscribing. You are blessed. God will bless you. So now let's go on now. Yes, you can see that become a partner and earn money by selling on our website. Claim your merchant account. First of all, make I teach you how you go take buy the unit for yourself first before I go show you how you go take buy unit for others to end up 5,000 naira. Why I talk from the beginning of the video. Now if you want to buy unit for yourself, all you have to do is to enter your location. Mind you, now this website they just based on only this state. Number 1 Abuja, 2 Jigawa, 3 Kano, 4 Kogi, 5 Niger, 6 Nasarawa, and the last one is Katsina. Now only these 7 states now if you use this website they buy unit for, and now you will buy unit for. So now you choose, maybe because me I based in Abuja, I click on Abuja. Me now from Abuja. So meter type, you put your meter type. Is even if it is prepaid, you put it. So it's prepaid, you put it. Your meter number, you put it. Your phone number, you put it. Email address, you put it. And when you want to buy the unit, you put it there. After that, you click on buy now. That means you don't buy your own with that. Now how you go to buy for others? How you go to buy for others? Let me say you will make money from that. All you have to do is to scroll down and click on this claim your merchant account. When you click on this claim your merchant account, so they will direct you come this place to fill this little form. All you have to do is to make sure that you read it carefully and make sure you fill it correctly, because any small mistake for this one you no go fit sign up. So all you have to do is to write your full name, the full name. If you get company, you put your company name. If you don't get company, if na individual you go write your name, your full name for there. Second one is your email. You put your email address. Third one, your phone number. You put your phone number, valid phone number. Fourth one is say choose your account type. You click on it. Mind you, if na company name you put for your full name, if na company name you use, you click on company. But if na your real name, if na like John, Ojo, Mary, Anna, now you use, you put in individual merchants. So make sure say you understand this one. If na company name you first put for here, I repeat, you put in as in here, you click company. But if na your individual name, if na your own name you put, you click on individual merchant. Got individual merchant. TAC registration number, you put your company number. This one if na you put am for there, so on and so forth. He said, do you intend to have sub merchant? You see that you click yes or no. Contact address, date of birth. This means of identification is either you use your driver license, national ID card, international passport and permanent voters card. you go use them by uploading it. You will upload the file, card, anything you and click on submit. It will take 2 to 3 days for them to review your submission. So that if they don't approve your submission, definitely you can earn money using this website. And mind you, again, as I said earlier, this website na only this location you fit buy: Abuja, Jigawa, Kano, Kogi, Niger, Nasarawa, Katsina. And now question we need to ask me, say, okay, how I will take get people to say I will buy this unit for? Now question we suppose ask me be that. Now they say I dey always tell you, this online business no big place. Don't be say you will just okay. They say if I do I go make money, if I do I go make money. You do, you come put your hands, sit down, say me I don't do am already, so I dey expect money. No, online is not, make money online is not that easy. So you have to work, you have to strategize. Now only what you need to understand, say, okay, now how many WhatsApp contacts you get? So you have Facebook account, all you have to do is to just post it there. I said, okay, I buy unit in a cheaper rate. Or maybe you dey Lagos, because the location now Lagos no dey, maybe you dey Lagos and you get brother, you get sister for Abuja, you carry for, you call them, say sis, okay, let's say you want buy unit, I will buy for you in a cheaper rate. Sis go say okay. Now just mouth to mouth, because they say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. All you have to do is to network yourself, network your plans, show it to other people, and they will buy to your idea. Like for example, 10 people, 50 people don't buy from you, that means you don't make better money. That 5k now small money be that too. So now what I get for now, let's share with you. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Till we meet again or today. Bye bye for now, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I love you.